Hello, this is Tina. Today is Clean Windows Day, Quarantine Edition. Clean using two natural ingredients, baking soda and vinegar. The simple method I show you here really worked wonderfully for me. Watch until the end of the video to see how you can also transform your dirty windows to a bright window on a budget. Here are the supplies used. Sprinkle some baking soda over the dirt. More like sprinkle a lot of baking soda. Combine vinegar and water at a ratio of 2:1 in a spray bottle and spray over it. The bubbly mixture breaks up and removes scum, dirt, and the like. Let it sit for 5 minutes and brush away with a toothbrush. Wipe dry with paper towel after. Here's the before and here's the after. Sparkling clean, guys. I did not use any special cleaning solution. I cleaned all my windows simply with baking soda and vinegar. Here is my kitchen window before cleaning. On this particular day, I decided to just stop procrastinating with this dreaded task. And once I started, I didn't want to stop. There are days when you'd feel unmotivated to do things, especially when you run out of special supplies. Baking soda and vinegar work wonders. Just look at it, it's pristine. With time and some arm workout, the finished result is so worth it. Do you see the stickers on this window? Scraping the stickers took way more time than I expected. Due to the exposure to the sun over time, it became really difficult to remove the stickers. In between cleaning this window and taking care of my little baby, it took me almost 2 hours to clean up this window fully. But now, the stickers are all gone and my windows are sparkling. I love it. To remove the stickers, wet the stickers, angle your palette knife or razor blade slightly and gently scrape away. Here's a tip. Remove stickers on a window as soon as you can. I hope this video motivates you to clean your windows as well. As Layla Gifty Akita said, when your environment is clean, you feel happy, motivated, and healthy. Taking care of yourself also means taking care of your environment. I have put off cleaning my windows for a long time as well. With just two main ingredients, baking soda and vinegar, I've added some sparkles to my window with a better view on life. Here are a few more before and after cleaning motivation transformations. Do you have any cleaning tips to share with me? What's your cleaning hacks? Let me know in the comment section below what works for you. Lastly, give your window screens a good scrub with soap and water. Your windows are now so clean that you will forget that they are there. I hope you found value and some cleaning motivation in this video. If you did, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quick and easy DIYs. I upload every Mondays. Be sure to watch how I clean my mini chopper using vinegar.